Hey everyone, so in this video we will learn if can you get Brawl Stars Dev Build. So first of all, go to the Supercell Creator Program website and sign up, then fill out the application form, okay? With details about your content creation, audience and how you plan to use the tool, okay? Supercell will review your application and notify you if you are accepted into the program. Once accepted, you will gain access to exclusive features including the dev build of Brawl Stars. So in this way you can get an early look at the Brawl Stars features and test out new brawlers before they are officially released, okay? So make sure to test this way and hope you guys liked this video. If you liked this video, if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.